Hi, my pupils. Today I will resume the basic course that I started. Next last video. Today I will resume what today I will make a revise on what we took last video. Then we resume the new lesson today. But before I will go to do so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. These videos is for primary and preparatory basic lessons. Okay, so today I will continue what I started last video. But before I will go to so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. To the last video, we talk about the indefinite articles a and an, and we know when we use a and when we use an, and we know that a was used with consonant sound and n with vowel sounds. Let's go to and have another item that we took last video. Talk about subject pronouns and know when we use subject pronouns. We talk about verb to be and is are, and what's pronouns that take what's the pronouns that take am and others takes is and are, and we know the abbreviations of the verb to be. We talk about the adjective, and we know that adjective describe what we can. I would like to remember me describe nouns. Adjective describe what? Describe nouns. Okay, as we know last video. And we talk also about what we talk about the plurals and the nouns that it takes s and others that takes ies and es, and we know the irregular changes in some nouns like man, mean, foot, feet, child, children, to teeth. Last video I stopped here on verb to be, sorry, verb to have, not verb to be. In this verb, the verb to have here means what? Means something is belong to me. Something is belong to me means something that we use it with position. Something belong to me. Okay, like I have red hair, I have brown hair, I have brown eyes. So I have verb to be means something is belong to me. Okay, here we have and has. Okay, I explained this before, this lesson before, but today I will make a quick revise on to remember you. Here we have I, we use a takes what takes have, and he, she, it takes what takes has. Okay, and as we know last video, we know when we use does and do, when we use when we make a negative form or a question form. Here here is not different. Why? Because I already take don't. Okay, so we use don't with have, and the verb comes in the infinitive form is not trained for us. Okay, but here doesn't have. I return the verb to what? To the steam. I return the verb to steam. That's this. Doesn't have. Okay, let's go to another item here. Here we have, let's do this exercise together. I do some of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. I takes what here? I takes have. So it will be I have a pen. So this pen belongs to me. Okay, I have a pen. She has an apple. She has an apple. Why has here? Because has here is what is singular. Is what is singular. And I is singular but take have. They here plural. So plural takes what? Takes I don't have. Okay, I don't have. If we have doesn't here, what can we do? We put the verb in the steam. Why? We say doesn't, we say doesn't or doesn't or doesn't, and return the verb to the steam. Doesn't what? Doesn't have. If we have doesn't, I put the verb in the steam, as we know before. Okay, and during the lessons that we explained in the first term, we know this. We know in when we use doesn't or didn't or does or did, we return the verb to the steam like this. Here is Mona has a book. So you are clever pupils. Mona has a book. Here it will be we have been. Why we have been? Because have here is plural pronoun. Is what is plural pronoun? Plural pronoun. Okay, BP means plural pronoun. Okay, let's go to another one here. I would like from you, my pupils, preparatory and primary and preparatory. I would like to write your opinion below the video to know what's new that I represent for you. If we have new things that I can present it for you. Okay, I would like you to write for me your opinions below the video, because I would like to know what about our lessons on the channel. Okay. Here we have she, here is have, a kite. So here, as we know that when we use that, the verb is infinitive, doesn't. Are clever pupils. They, here what we don't. Why don't? Because don't here is plural. We have cars. My mother doesn't. It will be has or have. Have. Why have? Because as we told you that doesn't must be followed by the infinitive form, and the infinitive of have, it will be have. Okay, let's go to another one. Sama and nada. Sama and nada. Sorry, sama and nada. Have. Why sama and nada have? Because more than one, it will be what? It will be plural, as we know. Okay, let's go to another item here in this lesson. Here we use there. There to ask to use for what? For places around us. Used for places. Okay, for places. There we use for places around us. Places around us. Around us. Places around us. Okay. Let's know more about this. Here we use there is for what? There is for singular. We use there is for singular. And we use there are for what? For plural. Use there are for plural. Okay. And plural must adding s to the noun. Okay. Plural must adding s to the plural. Here is we have there are, and here is there is. There is for singular and there are for plural. Let's continue the rest of this lesson. Here we have there. Here we have there is a. Here we have there is a or an. There is written like this as abbreviation. This is called abbreviation. Okay, there is or there are written like this. This is called abbreviation. We have there is an umbrella. There are keys. There is a window. There are apples. There is an apple. There are foxes. There is an orange. There are men. There is a dog. There are books. There is an ant. There are boys. There is a girl. There are kites. Okay, let's do the practice on this for this exercise. Here we have there. It will be a key. A key is what? Is singular. So what is the correct word that I selected here? It will be is. Beans, here we have s. So I put are. There it will be book is a singular. What can I do here? I put is. There is a space. These are the three. You are clever pupils. There are windows. Why windows here? Windows here is because we have here are. Let's go to another item here in this part. Here we have another exercise related to this part. It's not different, but I answer 5 of them, and I will leave the rest to do. I will leave the rest of the sentence to do it by yourself. Here is a van. Van here it will be singular. So I put here what? I put there is. Balls here it will be are. Why are here? Why are here? Because we have s here. There are mean. There are mean. Why? Because mean here is what? Is plural. Is plural. Okay. Mean here is plural. So I put are here. Okay. It's plural. Okay. Let's go to another one. There is. There is an apple. Why? Because apple here is singular. Feet is the plural of food. Food is feet is a plural of food. So I put here are, not is. To be are. Okay. Let's go to another one. Let's go to another item. Here's called singular demonstrative pronouns. I think all of us know demonstrative, and we talk about demonstrative pronouns during the term. Okay, here we use this is and that is, and we know when we use this is and that is, this is, we use it for singular near. Use it for what? For singular near. Repeat after me. Not for singular. Means I see the book in front of me or near me or from me. So I say this is a book. The book is near for me. So I say this is a book. This is for singular near. Okay. When we use that is, we use that is with singular far. We use that is for singular far. I see the book far from me or not near from me. It will be what? It will be that is the book, or that is a chair, or that is the table. So this is the difference between this is and that is. This is used for both used for singular, but this is used for singular near and this for singular far. Some of you saying, Miss Email, in the exams, what we know if it's near or far. In the example, the primaries, grade 1 and 2 and 3, I think you draw the picture to expressing this demonstrative pronoun. If we have a book near from the boy, or you write, draw the boy and draw the book near the boy. So we say this is for. So we say when the book is near the boy, so this is. And when we pointed to something is far from me, or if we draw for you something that far from a person and point it for it, so it will be that is. I think in the exam, this is clear, not difficult to know it, okay? This is for singular near, and that is for singular far. Let's go. This is a horse. That is a moon. This is an elephant. That is an apple. Let's continue the rest of this item. I think now that is, and this is not difficult to know. Okay, is clear now. Let's go to answer the exercise related to this part. Here we have this. We take this takes what is or are. No, takes is. Why? Because this is singular and take is. Okay, that is. Okay, this is. That is a. That is our. That is a trees or tree. That is a tree. Why tree? Because we have here a is singular. So I talk about singular, not a plural. Okay. When we talk about plural, we have another demonstrative pronoun used for plural, near and singular near. We know it later after we finish from this item. Okay. This is a, but this is a car. Okay. I answer 5 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay. I will leave the link of the booklet below the video to download it and practice what we took today. Okay, here is match the following. This is a book. Say this. Here is this is a van. This is a van. We can say that is a bag. Sorry, bags here plural. That is what that is. It will be that is an orange. That it will be that is a cat. We say that is what that is. I can say that is an apple. Okay, that is an apple. Okay, here is this and this that and can say this is a van. Can say this is a cat or that is a cat. We can say this is a cat or that is a cat. Both are correct. Okay, pins and bags are plural, so we can't use it. Okay, you can't use it here. Bags and bins can't use it. Why? Because it's plural. This is plural and this is plural, and we talk about singular, not plural. Okay. Let's go to another item here in this part. Here we talk about a demonstrative pronoun, but in the plural form. In the plural form, we use these are, and those are. Okay, these are used for what? For plural near. For plural near. This is the plural of what? This is plural near. This is these are is the plural of what? Is the plural of this. Okay. This is the plural of this. Okay. This as we told singular near. These are for plural near. Okay. Both this singular near and these are plural near. Here we have that is for singular far. That is used for what? For singular far, singular. far. I will remind you what we told before, okay? To make you contact to what we took before, like what we took in this part, okay? Most important to contact the knowledge with each other, okay? That is singular. For singular, for what? For singular far. Here is used for what? For plural far. Here is used for plural far, okay? Plural far, okay? This is the difference between, this is plural far, this is plural far, and this is singular far. This is plural near, and this for singular near, okay? This is the difference between between both, okay? Let's go to know more about this item in this part, okay? To know about this item, okay? Let's go to do it so. Here we have, this is, here we have, sorry, not this is, these are, okay? These are, and those are. Here we have, these are horses, those are monkeys, these are elephants, those are apples, these are pencils, those are birds, these are books, those are stars, because stars is far from me. Can we see the stars near from me? No, so it will be those are stars. These are oxen, these are eggs, these are bananas, those are maize, these are ants, those are oranges, these are girls, those are pigs. Okay, let's do the exercise related to this part. This, it will be this, what? These are, those are, those are, here it will be are. These are space, these are trees. Okay, why trees here, not tree? Because this here is what? Is plural. So it's plural, what? Plural near, as we know it. Okay, as we know here in this part, in this item. Okay, these are what? These are cars. These are buses. Okay, let's continue the rest of the lesson. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay, now we know, and you can do by yourself. Let's go to another one here. Here is the demonstrative pronouns in the question form. We use it what if that and what if this. The answer, it will be that is A or N, or this is A or N, like this. When we ask about something I don't know it, okay, something that I know it, I don't know it, if it's far or near, okay, you can say what if that, or what if this. You can say that is a hat, or this is a book. What if that? It's a bus, or can say it is a bus, or can say that is a bus. Both are correct. Both are correct. It's a bus. It's a dog. When we say what is this, we say it's a dog, or it's a bus. We can say this is a dog, or can say that is a bus. Here we have what if that is an egg. This is an apple. Okay, let's continue the rest of the item here of the lesson here. Here is plural demonstrative. We use the question form on also the plural demonstrative. Those, which we say, what are those, or what are these? We say, what are those? Those are trees. What are these? These are bananas. What are those? They are tables. What are these? They are dogs. What are those? Those are eggs. What are these? These are apples. Okay, let's answer this question related to this part. And today I will stop here. Next class I will start tenses. Okay, what if this? It will be this is a dog. What are these? It will be these are. Why these are here? Because these here, because we have are, and we must select are because are is plural. This used with plural. What if this? It will be this is. Here is what? Here is we have those. So those takes what? Takes are. Take are. So those take are. What are those? It will be what is that? Okay. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay. Let's go on to another one, to another item here. Here it will be what? It will be it is. Why it is? Because here we have it, the pronoun it take is not are. Okay. This called the correct the verb. I think we took this question in during the lesson, during the planning lesson on the videos. Okay, I think so. This, it will be this is. This is. This will be these are. Okay, these are. Why these are? Because these takes are. Here is those. Those takes what? Takes are. In this question, what I can put here, it will be what are these? To be what are these? Okay. Today I'll stop here in this part. Next class, we will start the tenses. I hope to benefit from me and enjoy our video today. Today I'll stop here in this part. Next class, we start present continuous tense. I think all of us know it, but I will revise with you. I hope to benefit from me and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot until we meet again. Goodbye.